My name is Kapila. My profession is I'm a psychologist and an entrepreneur both, and the success culture has brought lot of time management in me to do, which helps me to actually manage my day, manage my time, and actually helps me to finish whatever task I organize for the day. So, thumbs up for it.
I am Prakash Badala here from Bangalore. I am a jeweler and the time management has been improved. To-do list the work I don't forget, and better relationship with all my colleagues, and getting my early morning. Otherwise, I was not able to get up early morning. So in many areas, I have benefited by this, doing this Success Q, the TSC program conducted by Manoj and the team. It's a wonderful program.
Hello, I'm Manish Balwani. I've done the TSC program. What this program has given me is a good system, I would put it, for manifesting all what we want. It has given me new habits, and ऐसा था, there were a lot of things I had to do before, which I wanted to, but वो consistency नहीं होती थी, बीच में छूट जाता था. अभी वो to do list है, so everything is on paper and it is on mobile actually.
I've done the Success Q. This has helped me in all my areas. Like I can start with health. I've been with LLKs and from that time, and this gave me more precision. I was on many medicines and now no medicines because medicines are creating acidity. And as I said, health is much better. And precision wise, again, next is regularity has come into me. And I have adopted many mantras here, which I write daily. My Liya is very different. I have adopted all from here, and I put every day the reminder, today I will pick up this, today I'll pick up this. And relationships have become much better.
My name is Rajesh Punjabi. I stay in Mumbai, Bandra West with my family. That Success Q has been a wonderful 180-degree shift in my life in the area of health. Successfully, I had reversed blood pressure, which had happened to me a couple of years back. No medication for that. Absolutely fit, fine and healthy. And Success Q mein, what we had learnt about the visions that have applied for my parents also, I'm very happy to share that my parents have also really benefited just by me making visions for them.
My name is Zain. I currently live near New Delhi. When I joined Success Q, I was in a bad place in life. I was always a very creative individual but had no organization. I did it diligently. I immersed myself in its practices to a point where today I don't even need to do it literally. I mean, the online to-do list has become a little notepad which I carry around in my pocket. And what it brought me in life is immeasurable. I surrendered to Manoj as my guru, and I imbibed everything from SSY and the Success Q programs. Today I work with Elon Musk in SpaceX, Tesla and XAI, sitting here in Delhi, and amongst other people. And so it's taken me to the absolute pinnacle of dreams and what a life can take a person.
I'm Sushma Vishwakarma. I'm an advocate by profession. Being an advocate, lot of negativity of my field used to affect my regular personal life. So सबसे पहले तो उससे मेरी पॉजिटिविटी बन गई. सक्सेस क्यों ने मुझे इतना पॉजिटिव कर दिया कि जो सुबह जो वीडियोस आते हैं दैट बिगिंस माय डे, और वो उससे इतना सुंदर तरीके से दिन जाता है. हमेशा आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू रिपीट दी प्रोग्राम, क्योंकि स्लोली ग्रेजुअली आपकी एनर्जी रूटीन में थोड़ी लो होती फील होती है. जैसे आप रिपीट करते हो वो सारी वापस हाइक हो जाती है.
My name is Bhudevi. After doing the TSC the first time, I realized the importance of writing down goals and visions in my life. And since then, since 2016-17, I've been regularly writing down my yearly goals. I make all the, what I want, how and why, the purpose of it. I every year review all my goals that I have written.
मेरे नाम मनोज है. लाइफ में भी काफ़ी मतलब चेंजेस आ गया है. After attending this Success Q program, my to-do list is made one day in advance every day, and I follow that to-do list, So overall, Success Q is a very powerful program.
I am Meeta. I am into politics. But after doing the Success Q, I learned to utilize whatever free time I had. I learned to be positive all the time, and I learned to shift my emotions and my feelings immediately. Initially, it used to happen that like anybody used to say something, I used to keep on overthinking on it. Ki how come they said so? How come they did so? But now it's become easy to shift my emotions and my feelings, and I've actually learned to be happy in any and every situation, and I've learned to smile and pass it on.